how to fix Valorant not launching and opening problem easy and quick. If you want to fix it, type here background apps, and now just turn off all the background applications here just by turning off the first option. After that, type here after that just type here game mode, turn on game mode, go to Xbox bar, turn it off, and after that just right click on your PC and go to NVIDIA control panel. Now just wait, and here click use my preference, move it to performance and click apply and close this window, and that's it. Then just restart your PC and try again, and you'll find that your problem is fixed. And that's it. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.